Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this lovely high specification Mini Cooper S. Finished in white, as you can see, diamond cut alloy wheels, with the black stripes, black roof with a twin opening panoramic roof. Got the rear bigger diffuser at the bottom with the twin exhausts. Rear spoiler. For its age, this is absolutely lovely condition. Very comprehensive service history. Boot area is all in lovely condition. Electric mirrors. Seats are all in fantastic condition too. Just start the car up. Starts fantastic. It's only done 71,546 miles. Very low mileage. It's got the full menu here as well. When you connect, got the navigation with the map there. Heated, 3-stage heated seats. Air conditioning. Bluetooth phone prep as well. Twin opening panoramic roof, and then you can just have the front one that opens by itself. Multifunction steering wheel, cruise control, low mileage with a lot of specification in great condition. DJH, we have full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.